Hey there fellow creators, welcome to my channel, where we're about to embark on an exciting adventure that will transform the way we conquer YouTube. I'm RC, and today, I have something truly extraordinary to share with you, so buckle up and get ready for a game-changing experience. Now, I know the struggle is real when it comes to growing your channel, optimizing your content, and decoding the secrets of YouTube's algorithm, but fear not. I'm here to introduce you to two powerful allies in our quest for YouTube greatness, VidIQ and Tubebuddy. Ever wonder how the top creators on YouTube consistently churn out viral videos, rank high in search results, and amass millions of subscribers? Well, my friend, it's all thanks to the incredible features offered by VidIQ and Tubebuddy. And the best part, you can join me on this thrilling journey to YouTube success. So, click the subscribe button if you want to learn and grow our channel together. And make sure to watch the video until the end. Let's start with VidIQ, the ultimate weapon in your YouTube arsenal with its suite of powerful tools. VidIQ empowers creators like us to unlock our true potential. Imagine having the ability to understand the analytics of your competitors, uncover the hottest trends, and optimize your videos like a pro. With VidIQ, you'll have access to real-time data that reveals what's working and what's not. No more guessing games. We can take our content to the next level by leveraging VidIQ's insights and making data-driven decisions. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now, let's dive into the realm of Tubebuddy, another secret weapon that's going to revolutionize the way we create and optimize our content. Tubebuddy is like having a personal YouTube assistant by your side, giving you the tools and guidance to level up your channel. Tubebuddy takes the guesswork out of YouTube optimization. You can effortlessly A/B test thumbnails, conduct in-depth keyword research, and even perform bulk edits on your videos. It's like having a whole team of experts working for you 24/7. Now that you know the power of VidIQ and Tubebuddy, I want to invite you to join me on this extraordinary YouTube journey. Together, we'll explore these tools, learn the insider tricks, and witness the incredible growth of our channels. Imagine the possibilities when we combine our creativity, passion, and the remarkable capabilities of VidIQ and Tubebuddy. It's going to be an unstoppable force. Click the link in the description below to try both tools out for yourself and see which one fits your needs and budget. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join me on this exhilarating adventure. Together, we'll uncover the secrets of YouTube success, support each other's growth, and become the next generation of influential creators. Learning is unifying seemingly divergent ideas and data.